Do you like to sprint in the open fields at the highest speeds? Do you like to swim for hours in the pool? Or are you attempting the famous 75 hard challenge right now? Despite our current stage of office lifestyle and junk food, we all have an athlete inside us who wants to perform. Unfortunately, most of us lose touch with our physical selves during our teenagehood or early 20s. However, some people are born to play sports like hockey, tennis, football and track or field sports like javelin throw, sprinting or swimming. अब वक्त है तुम्हारा नीरज चोपड़ा बनने का. If you are a budding athlete and a devoted fitness enthusiast, then this video is for you. Today, we will tell you about 5 unique colleges across the world that excel at producing the finest athletes in the world. Here we go. Number 1, we have University of Florida. The University of Florida has a strong tradition of success in a wide range of sports including football, basketball, baseball, gymnastics, and track and field. You can be a part of a winning athletic culture. UF offers state-of-the-art athletic facilities such as Ben Hill Griffin Stadium and the Stephen Co. Cornell Center to support your training and competitive needs. Join this college to become the best gymnast or track and field athlete in the world. Number 2, we have University of Texas at Austin. UT Austin is home to a rich history of college sports, particularly in football. The legendary Darrell K. Royal Texas Memorial Stadium is iconic in college football. The university offers various athletic scholarships, making it financially accessible for talented athletes to pursue their sports while earning a degree from a respected institution. UT Austin provides excellent resources including top coaches, sports medicine facilities, and academic support services to help student athletes achieve success on and off the field. Join this college if you have a keen interest in American football, also known as American-style rugby. Number 3, we have Stanford University. Stanford is not only known for its outstanding athletic programs, but also for its academic prestige. By joining Stanford, you can receive a world-class education while pursuing your athletic goals. Stanford boasts modern and top-notch athletic facilities including the Stanford Stadium and every aquatic center, which can enhance your training and competitive experience. The university's extensive alumni network spans various industries, providing opportunities for post-athletic career development and connections that can be invaluable in the future. Join this college to become a world-class swimmer. Number 4, we have Korean National Sports University. South Korea is one of the world's dominant nations in archery, and KNSU is a leading institution for archery training in the country. The university's archery program has produced numerous Olympic and World Championship medalists. KNSU provides access to top coaches, state-of-the-art facilities, and a competitive environment for aspiring archers. Join this college to become a world-class archer. And lastly, we have Nick Bollettieri Tennis Academy, now IMG Academy in the US. IMG Academy, founded by Nick Bollettieri, has produced numerous professional tennis players, including Andre Agassi and Maria Sharapova. It offers comprehensive tennis training programs, state-of-the-art facilities, and academic support. Join this college to become the next Rafael Nadal. Ultimately, the path to becoming a world-class athlete involves a combination of factors, including finding the right coaching, training partners, and opportunities to compete. It's important to research your options, seek out reputable trainers and gyms, and be prepared to put in the hard work and dedication required to reach the highest levels of the sport. If you like this video, then do drop a like and comment below, and for more such interesting content, subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thank you for watching.